Akash Inti, your favorite reflection of you. I stepped on my glasses this morning. Didn't break them, because clearly I was wearing them. But it made me think about some of the things that are ongoing in my life. So it made me realize the importance of being organized. Last night, late before going to bed, I think it was like, I don't even know what time it was, but it was definitely like in the wee hours of the morning, which is some of my favorite times in life, really, the wee hours of the morning. Why? Well, so much happens. All the magic happens in the wee hours of the morning. But then again, nothing good happens in the wee hours of the morning. I was doing some work. I was working on some ideas. And I had my notebooks all scattered out throughout the living room. I had the notebooks on one business, the notebooks on another business, the notebooks on just everything. Everything was all spread out and sprawled out. And I had my iPad there, my computer, my phone, and I was just going back and forth between all of these different things, kind of just like zipping between journal 1, journal 2, and all of these things. Before going to bed, I ended up putting my glasses on the floor, and I was just like, I'm really, really tired right now. I'm not dealing with this right now. And so what happened was I went to bed. I woke up this morning in time for my phone call. Which, a side note, I really enjoy this, actually, kind of waking up almost to a phone call, because my mind feels really, really clear, and I just jump right into my day. That's an aside. I come downstairs after waking up, getting off my phone call, and then I see everything everywhere. And at this point, I was like, man, I really appreciate a sense of organization and a sense of order. And it didn't take me long to clean up. It took me maybe 5 minutes. But that 5 minutes, had I done it last night when I was really tired, would have paid huge dividends today, in the sense that I wouldn't have stepped on my glasses. So when I stepped on my glasses, it almost made me think of, oh my goodness, I'm stepping on my vision. I'm stepping on my tool that provides me additional vision. And so it was really, really interesting to me how I was like, dude, when you're unorganized, you're stepping all over your vision. You're literally stepping all over your ideas. You're stepping over your future by simply not being organized. So, wow, it was like, holy cow, dude, you gotta check yourself before you wreck yourself, literally. It's one of the things that I've been finding more and more out, especially as it relates to business, is like the lack of order, the lack of organization can be absolutely, absolutely deadly. As I bring more order to my world, I feel relaxed. I feel at ease. I feel excited, because it's that sense of order that enables me to flow seamlessly throughout my day. In other words, when I know where everything is, where I know how things are organized, when I have a good sense within my mind itself, within my headspace of how is not only my physical reality, like the physical things, how are they ordered, and but also how is my mind ordered? In other words, is my mental reality aligned with my physical reality? So if I have an idea of, okay, I've got this one business, and then in this business I have different departments or whatnot, is that physically reflected, or is that reflected in my physical business itself? In other words, do I have a file system in my business that's organized such that, okay, I've got department 1, department 2, department 3, and then within each of those departments I have these things. It's coming down to what is the level of order and refinement of the mind, and when the mind is refined, translating that into the physical sense. So This is what's going on with me. These are the things that I'm thinking about right now. This is more of a business-focused one. Yet at the same time, all of life is all of life. Business is life, life is business, game is life, game is business, life is game. All of these little concepts thrown around, they're all the same. Keep up, thrive, stay sexy.